Hello, Avison families. This is Dr. Cognetta. I'm going to be providing a quick goal-setting conference orientation, helping you answer the question, what do I need to know? First thing you probably want to know is, what is a goal-setting conference? This is a conversation between you, your child, and your child's advisor, which will discuss your child's current level of performance, the appropriate goals based on this performance, as well as each of our roles in helping our children meet these goals. One of the terms you'll hear at the goal-setting conference and beyond is the term outcome. So I'm going to take a second to explain what they are. The outcomes are derived from the Common Core State Standards, and they articulate the skills and competencies that students will learn. Because we personalize at Avison, the personalized outcomes are a subset of all outcomes. They are the ones that are most appropriate for your child. Some may even come from out of grade level. At your child's goal-setting conference, we're going to narrow the conversation around a few select outcomes that are the most relevant for your child. So while we'll teach all outcomes, the goal-setting conference will showcase just a select few. A couple of the documents that we'll share include a literacy document, which I'll discuss here, as well as a math document, which I will discuss in a few seconds. You'll notice that current level of performance is shared at the top, and that's based on the assessments we've administered. You'll see your child's absolute score. You'll also see where that score falls, whether it's at, above, below, or far below benchmark. This section is an important section because it helps you answer the question, so how well is my child doing? The next section of the literacy document articulates the goals that are unique to your child based on their current level of performance. And the last section showcases the outcomes that are corresponding to your child's goals. In math, we have a similar document with a couple of differences, which I'll discuss now. As you know, we've adopted the Singapore math curriculum. The curriculum recommends that we give a placement test to help us identify what the right entry or starting point is for your child. That's discussed here. In this example, 2A is the right place to start for this child. We've also assessed fluency, which is how accurate and automatic your child is with basic operations. That information will also be shared. A couple words about Singapore math. At a later date, we'll share additional information. For now, I'd like to answer the question why Avison went with Singapore math. The best curricula in the world take fewer concepts and teach them to great depth. As a result, students are able to transfer skills and adapt new ones on their own without instruction. This is the major reason why we went with Singapore math. It's because of the encouraging results it's getting around the country and around the world. The outcomes and the goals are synonymous in the math document. The goals are the exact language of the outcomes. And they, again, are derived by your child's basic, current level of performance in basic fluency skills, as well as the level in the curriculum. Lastly, our roles. Each of us plays an important role in supporting our children in meeting their goals. For students, we want them to understand that they have an active role in the learning process, in setting goals, monitoring their progress towards goals, as well as recognizing when they've met them. Parents and advisors and guardians as well have roles, and those will also be discussed. Thank you for taking the time to look at this video. I hope you found it informative, and we'll see you soon.